Hi boys and girls, welcome to the word study, day number 2 lesson. Today we're going to continue working on our suffixes and patterns. So we're going to add suffixes, ed and ing, and just like I told you yesterday, the suffix is a word part that goes at the end of the word, and our suffixes are ed and ing. Ing suffixes that go at the end of the word. We are going to look for patterns and sort the words into 3 categories, just like we did yesterday. The patterns are CVC, CVVC, and CVCC. What does the C stand for? It stands for consonant, and the V stands for a vowel. There are only 5, sometimes 6 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So it's easier to memorize the vowels, and then all the other letters are consonants, right? So remember, A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and we are looking for these 3 patterns. CV, C, CV, VC, and CVCC. Okay, so I will show you a base word, and you're going to look at the end of the word. We're going to decide into what category that word falls into, and once we're done, we're going to add the suffixes. We're actually going to add a suffix ing today, and we're going to decide whether we need to double the final consonant before we add that suffix, or whether we do not double. We just add the suffix and we're good to go. So let's look at the word pass, okay? So what do I do first? First, I need to mark my vowels. Pass, so I know the word pass falls into CVC category, CVC. So if it's actually CV, hold on one second. Vowel is in here, CVCC, pass. So when I add ing to the word pass, it's going to be passing, so there is no doubling. So I can put the word passing right here, passing. I do not need to double the final consonant. Okay, slam. The vowels is right in here, C, V, C. Do I double if I have a CVC word? Yes. Good job. Yes, I do. So I need to put it in here. Slamming. S-L-A-M-M-I-N-G. Slamming. Okay? Slamming. Let's look at the next word. Think. I have the word I. Mean that the letter I, a vowel, C-V-C-C. With the C-V-C-C, I do not double. So no doubling for thinking. Okay. Forget. Vowels here. Vowels here. Forget. CVC. Since it's a CVC word, I need to remember that I need to double. So it will be forgetting. Forgetting. I double that final consonant. Okay, we're halfway done. Log, L-O-G. O is a vowel, C-V-C. Log, since it's a CVC word, I need to double. So it will be logging. Double the final consonant. Bark. Where's my vowel? Well, A is my vowel, so it's C-V-C-C. C-V-C-C, no doubling. So, barking. Now let's look at the word clean. Let's mark the vowels. E and A are my vowels. So this is going to be C-V-V-C word. C-V-V-C, no doubling. So, cleaning. Okay, and the last one, hum. CVC, and we know if it's a CVC, I need to double the final consonant. Hum, double the final consonant. Okay, that was not hard, right? As long as you know how to mark the vowel first, then label the word, say which pattern does the word fall into, and you can find those CVC words. So all the CVC words: forget, log, slam, and hum. All of these words are falling into the CVC category. And if it's CVC category, I always have to remember about doubling the final consonant and then adding my suffix. That's it. Thank you for watching.